Okay, I just opened up this Pro Tech Go toolkit. It comes in this box like this, comes in this box, and then it has like some little stickers, some little repair manifesto, super cute. But let me show you what I'm most impressed with. Look at this little case with all the things. So you have the tools over there, you have the tools over there, and then hold onto your hat. Has this thing, and it's magnetic. Look at it, magnetizes to the case, and the lid to it is magnetic. So it keeps everything right there, even has one of those little things to keep out the moisture. I mean, everything's right in its place. Look at that. And then just whoop, right back on there. It's magnetic. Look at that. I am super impressed with the construction. And then everything stays right where you need it, all together, right there. I would highly recommend.